Hey everyone, welcome back, and in this tutorial we are going to learn the basics of character mapping in Midjourney. So first things first, we need our Midjourney bot in Discord. So here we will have to select Niji model. It's not really required, but this is just what we are going with for this example. So let me just proceed with my prompt. Full body turnaround, her, red hair, and here are the results. So this is where we will be swapping our face into. And to proceed, let me just get the first image. So here it is. This is where we will be swapping our image into. Next, we will have to go with our second prompt. Let me just do something very similar. Her, red hair. Let's generate that. And I think I like the bottom right one, so let me just get it by clicking U4. So here is the enlarged image. I really like the face right here. I think it will work on our model poses. So here we just need to copy the link by right clicking and then copy message link, and then we will proceed with the face swap. We go back to the reference image, click very strong, and then paste the link of our face. Now we can paste multiple links here if we have generated more than one. Just click submit once we are done with it, and then here are the results, the face swap results. So it is very easy to swap faces, and that is just the first part of our tutorial. To start with the next part, let me first get the bottom right one again by clicking on U4. So this should be good enough. Now what we are going to do is we are going to retrieve this photo and the photo that we used earlier. So we are going to upload it again to Discord. And to do that, we will just have to paste the images that we used earlier. And then once we have uploaded it, we will just have to copy the links of the images, and then we will have to paste it somewhere, like on your notepad. So let me just paste the images, the links of the images to the notepad. And then we will proceed with our prompt. So for example, at supermarket, her, red hair, black off shoulder. This is our prompt. So we will be swapping the photo of our ladies to this photo right here. And to do this, we will have to get one that we want. For example, the upper right. So we will be remixing it strongly. So we'll just have to paste the links of the images that we have just copied. So after that, we just press on submit and wait for the results. And so here are the results. As you can see, it has replaced the face using our saved images. And I think it is a job well done, but of course it can be better if you add more images for the AI. Now here are more examples of character mapping using Midjourney. For example, let me select this one. And then we will be having to remix it using the images that we have copied. And here are the results. That is it for this tutorial, everyone. Thanks for watching. Please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And we'll see you in the next one.